Your students will have access to all of the menu options in Aporto as long as they've been configured by your administrator. In some cases, you may want to turn off certain menu options. For example, to prevent cheating during an exam, you might want to turn off Messenger and screen sharing. If your administrator has given you permissions to do this, you'll see a tool icon in the left side menu. Simply click on that icon to open up the Group Features page. Drill down in the group hierarchy to find your course. In my case, it's Math 101. Then locate the menu option that you want to turn off. For example, I've disabled screen sharing and Messenger, at least during the exam. And then when I'm done, I can turn them back on. When a feature is enabled, your students will see the menu option in the top menu bar. When a feature is disabled, the option will not appear here at all.